Hey team, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to talk about tickets. Do you guys ever have customers come in and maybe they forget their wallet at home, but the cart is already full? They're going to go grab their wallet and come back and then pay for their items. Or you guys might have someone call into the shop and ask if you guys have an item for them and ask you to keep it behind the counter, and they'll come back or come in and pay for that item after work that day. Well, that's where the ticketing system might come into play for retail, right? So let's say you have one of those scenarios come into play. So what we do is we typically put an item in to the cart, whatever that item may be. And we can click pay. We can scroll down and we can click save to tab. Click the default screen and then name that tab. And you can typically name it after your customer, right? So for today, I'll just name it cat. And then save tab locally. What that's going to do is now, if you click the hamburger up at the top left hand corner and go to the tickets tab here, you can now see Kat's name. I've got her saved in here a couple of times. You can now see her Geek Bar Pulse Pink Lemonade Geek Bar saved here for now when she comes into the store and is ready to purchase that item. So when she comes back in, all we have to do is go to this tab, the tickets tab, click it. She's here, and now we can check out as normal. So that is how the ticketing section works, guys. If y'all have any questions about that, feel free to reach out to us at 678-201-0911. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.